Hey everybody, okay, so this is my Scindapsus Treubii Moonlight, and I purchased this about 6 or 7 months ago through one of the Facebook purge groups. I received both pieces for about $10, of course, plus shipping. And yeah, so they've been doing fine in the little clear cup that I have. I just poked a few holes in the bottom of it. But lately I've noticed that the leaves have been a little soft. So I'm like, oh boy, what's going on with the roots? So I decided to check the roots today. And they actually look fine. I'm going to do a close-up here so you guys can take a look as well. But the roots look okay. So on this cutting and then the next cutting, there was like a small piece at the bottom, and I ended up just taking that part off, but everything else looks okay. So I'm not sure what's making it do that. It could be the soil combination that I have there. So this was before I decided to start making my soil mixture more chunky. And I think that might have something to do with it. Maybe it was just a little too wet. I have no idea. So, yeah, that's what you can see there. It's kind of like clumping together and it's staying wet a little too long. So I decided to repot this Scindapsus. And I do know that they're slow growers, but the leaf curling was just a little odd to me and it caught my attention. So I'm just like, no. So I'm going to be using, actually, I'm going to clean the leaves as well with a little bit of my neem oil mixture. If you guys want to know how I mix that, please let me know and I'll do a video on that as well, or maybe a short on that. But yeah, so this is the soil mixture that I use. Basically, it has, let's see, a little bit of potting soil, and then I use additional perlite as well as orchid bark. I also add worm casting, and I just keep going until I like the way it looks. So here is the neem oil that I've been using, and I just sprayed all over the leaves and just wiped it with my hands. Sometimes I use a cloth if I'm wiping down all of my leaves, but I mean, I'll just use my hand or a paper towel or something. I actually need to go around and clean off all of my leaves because it's been a little while and spring is approaching and I want them to be able to get in all that nice sun. So yeah, I took a look at the leaves here. Everything looks pretty much fine. Like that little bit of brown that's on the back of this leaf here, that's the way it was when I received it. So that's not anything new. But overall, the leaves are looking okay. The roots look okay. And yeah, I think it's just gonna need a little repot and it should bounce back. So I'm just gonna give it some time. After I placed it into its new home, I decided to give it a little bit of water. I did that off camera. But that's pretty much all I did for this video. So if you guys have any video requests, please let me know. If you have any particular plants that you're interested in that you think I might have, you can also check out my plant of the day. I've been uploading every day a short to my channel, and that's just showing you guys so far the plants that I have in my collection. And I think you guys have been liking those videos because they've been doing pretty good. So I will see you guys in the next video, which should be tomorrow. Well, the next short will be tomorrow. And the next video, I might show you guys the propagations that I have going on in my home at the moment. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.